Hi, and thanks for joining me for this installment of our tutorial series for the Clear Management software packages. What I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial is how to edit your users. You can see that I'm on the Preferences screen. If you watched our last tutorial, you saw how I got here by clicking on this round icon and going to the Preferences. I'm going to click on the Go to Users button to open my Users screen. Users screen is also the Employee screen. Those are kind of used interchangeably, those two terms. What I want to do before I go into the definitions of this screen is just go over a little usage here. As you can see, this User Information tab has a little X on it. If I click the X, it closes that tab. If I want to get back to that tab, I simply click on the Go to Users button again. It opens it right back up. Next thing I'd like to go over, this quick search area. As you can see, this quick search is a drop down. This is designed to help you get through the records very quickly in a nice, quick manner. So if I want to scroll to my user information, I can just click on the drop down arrow, select myself from the list, and now here I am with my information added. This bar right here with all these buttons allows you to edit the user information, or additionally allows you to exit out of this screen. As you can see, I have my name, my first name, and my last name. My first name is my username. The address 1 line, city, state, zip, phone 1, phone 2, cell, fax, email, cell provider. Let me take a little minute here to talk about the cell and the cell provider and how those are going to work. If your employee is going to be statused by the program, say you need to text your employee for some reason, or you need to email your employee for some reason. If you're going to be using the texting feature in our software, you do need to have the cell number written in here, and you do need to have assigned the cell provider. That way the program knows where to send the text. This email is important so that if you're going to be statusing your employees via email, it can get to them, obviously. So over here on this right-hand side of the screen, you're going to see a list of 3 checkboxes. Active, on the schedule, and able to log in. You'll notice that able to log in is grayed out. That's because users, you, are not able to specify which user accounts are able to log in. That is done by the amount of licenses that you have purchased from Clear Management, and Clear Management controls who is able to log in. What you can control is who is active and if they appear on the schedule. You'll be seeing how on the schedule, the employee color, and the order in Employee View, order on the schedule and Employee View, all work together in the tutorial that I do regarding the scheduling. For right now, you can see that this is where you set it up. This is where you specify your employee is on the schedule. This is where you specify what color they're going to have and what order they're going to appear on the schedule. You can also specify the user type and the password. The next tab over, and when I say that it's a tab, it's because when I highlight over it, you can see that it changes to a tab. So if you're looking here and you see a tab with writing next to it, that's another tab. You can go ahead and click on it. This tab gives us the commission, the base wage amount, and the bonus percentages if your employee is going to be paid on commission. So that's all for this tutorial. This is showing you how to get in and how to edit your employee information. So if I were going to edit, say, user 1 and make them test user, now their username has been changed to test and their last name has been changed to user. They're still active, they're still on the schedule, they're still able to log in. Their password is still the same. Now I'm going to, you see all these buttons are grayed out, and save is the one that's available. I'm going to go ahead and click on save. That's going to save all of my changes, and then I'm going to click on the X. It just closes that right down. I'm going to click on the X here in the preferences screen, and now I'm out.